University of Sharjah. Location, Sharjah, UAE. Type private university. Established, 1999. Ranking, number 2 in UAE, number 401 to 500 globally, QS World University Rankings 2024. Academic programs, 100+ programs in fields like business, engineering, medicine, arts, and sciences. Faculties, 12 faculties, including College of Engineering, College of Business Administration, and College of Medicine. Student body, 14,000+ students from 100+ countries. Campus, 2.5 million square feet campus with modern facilities, libraries, and research centers. Accreditation, accredited by UAE Ministry of Education, and internationally recognized by organizations like ABET and AACSB. Research, strong research focus, with research centers and institutes in fields like renewable energy, water resources, and healthcare. Tuition fees, Arab Emirates dirham 40,000 to 60,000, approximately US dollar 10,890 to 16,340 per year. Scholarships, available for meritorious students, including full and partial scholarships. International partnerships, partnerships with universities worldwide, including USA, UK, Canada, and Australia.